Pakalofa Tumako. Follow. I'm just here at the Otahuhu Pools. We're having our family Christmas here. We usually celebrate Christmas first week of December, so that when Christmas Day comes, everyone that has partners, they can go spend Christmas with them. So we can just setting up. We got the Christmas crackers. These guys are excited. These guys just want to go in the pools. Now when we got here, because we were told we got this place from 1 till 5, but then when we got here, the lady at reception told us, oh no, you're only booked in from 12:30 to 1 p.m. Bit of a mishap, but yeah, now that we're here, it's all good. Yep, as you can see, everyone's just setting up. Yeah, Johnny's helping. I should go and help too. Hayden's just arrived with Lily, and yeah, just see how it goes. Okay.
Happy New Year. Just to Happy New Year, guys.
Yeah. What about here? What about here? Oh, what's this? Looks like trifles. Wonder what's under here. Don't know.
Find out.
It looks like. Okay, bit of Indian. Sirimi. That's just. What was that? Oh, it's taro.
Taro ham.
Taro ham. Taro.
And that's, I think it's a dessert.
Oh, haven't seen what that's about.
Dessert.
Okay, nice. Got the healthy water, Diet Coke. Mum's got something in here.
The gift to go the other side.
Oh, magic. Ooh, it's pretty warm. Oh, that's a kiki.
Oh no. And tahini at the bottom. Just
more stuff to come. Zipper's just arrived. Right. This is the best time.
Oh yeah.
Best time. Oh, more kai. Oh, chicken nibbles. That's my kid's favorite as well.
That's the social balls with me.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the best time. Oh, yum. Nice. Right over here, Yeah. Straight from the Coromandel?
Yes.
Yeah.
Straight from Piha. Come for Toa how? Let's go. Come Jackson. Okay. Jackson, come in the front. The cool. Anyone, go. Lani. And with some tight guys. Como Tolini! Kaha! Ua! Como Tolini! Keita Tangata! Keita Ngata! Si Keita Ngata! Como Ua! Koi Mangane! Si!
Hey! Hey!
Si! Hey! Mafisi! Como Tolini! Keita Tangata! Keita Ngata! Si Keita Ngata! Como Ua! Koi Mangane! Si! Hey! Si! Hey! Chocolua! ia. Kau e mai nāwa ni ki mua hawa tu tonu, ko mai ke matou ke whiawhia ai, ke liu kumaru nei, nei na kai whamahani a matou ki ai, ko tonu riongi atu, ko mina mai a matou, ka watu ki tau loto kaina, ko mina tau maha kawa te tāra ki te kapisinga aki, ko mina ki tau loto holi lalo, loto moru, loto whakaroka.
And just like that, Osi te Klisimasi aho Klisimasi. We're off home now, eh, Dave?
Yeah, I just said I want to just come to Niue and Karen.
So our plan for next year, Dave, we're thinking of going to Niue for next year's Christmas.
Yeah, just come to my house.
Come to Dave's house. Dave's going to be the MC. So yeah, we're hoping we can get to Niue.
Oh yeah.
Well, we'll see, eh? You want to say last words? Koe kia, monuina e Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. Happy New Year.
Yep. Peace. Just say goodbye. What should I just say? Okay, monuina e Christmas.
Koe kia, that was awesome. Monuina e Christmas.
Whakaoe, kue.
Oh, sorry, I'm too full. Yeah. Christmas lunch was amazing. Thank you, Stephanie and Uma for organising. So we're going home to rest now before we go to work.
Whakaoe. Here's the organiser.
Hey guys. Hey. Hey organiser 2024. Thanks everyone for coming back.
See, she's still organising, still organising. Still organising. Whakaoe. Whakaoe. Monuina e Klisimasi, whakaoe Steph.
Hey, whakaoe lahi, monuina e Klisimasi. Wow, awesome. It was awesome. Had fun. Thank you.
Yeah. Whakaoe. Whakaoe.
Whalawalahi atu monuina e Klisimasi. It's done and dusted. And then next week we're going to Niue. Woohoo! 4 weeks. Monuina e Klisimasi. Hey, Tavita. Hey, Mavita. Monuina e Klisimasi. Monuina e Klisimasi. Monuina e Klisimasi. Mo e tau fo'ou. Hey!
Whakaoe.
Monuina Christmas, surprise, surprise. My son and his dad and grandpa's going to Niue next week.
Oh! Holy! Hey, Sifa! How come, are you going Sifa? Dan, Merry Christmas, Dan.
Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Awesome party. See yous.
Merry
Christmas, everyone!
And next time, come back.
And everyone else is gone. Alright. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Yep. Okay. Did it get Christian, Hayden, and Missy? Siblings. No? Okay. All good. Monuina e Klisimasi.
Hey, monuina e Klisimasi. Come. Merry Christmas, everyone. Awesome.
Two Scots, eh? Two Scots.
Too hard. What do you guys want to say? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Sweet. No, it was awesome lunch. Thank you very much. See you all in the new year.
Whakaoe. Whakaoe.
Yo.
Alright, see, almost last person, missed Missy, but last on the list. Whakaleatu.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Oh, it's a good party, eh?
Good party, short and fast.
Man, clean and tidy. Just eat, party and leave.
Yeah. Man, Hannah's dessert was nice.
Oreo truffles. Bloody unhealthy things, man. So I only had 3.
True.
Nah, yeah, man. This year's gone too quick, eh?
Yeah.
Too many things on.
So are you hosting next year's, or was that just, or was it Steph?
Just volunteer to organise.
Oh.
We can, I don't know, got a year to figure that out. We'll start planning on the 26th of December.
Yeah. Okay.
Sweet, man.
Whakaoe.
Go away.